Good morning, student. Myself Yogen Singh, and as you know, again I am before you with a beautiful lesson from class 10th, and the title of my lesson is Glimpses of India. Student, all of you have visited your country, but still there are some places that you found fantastic. So, first of all, let us go to Goa and enjoy the sea beaches there. Yes, the title of my lesson is A Baker from Goa. You know, students, before 1960, Goa was governed by Portuguese. And in 1960, they left it. But you know, the impact of their traditions is still you can find in Goa. And in that tradition, one tradition is the baker and his furnace. Yes, students, everywhere you will be able to see the baker and his furnace. It is common. And you know, in Portuguese times, bakers were very important person. These bakers provide them breakfast, they provide them lunch also. Early morning, these bakers come with their baskets, with big loaves and the bread. They sell their breads from door to door. They also carry a bamboo and it works like a warning bell. It tells people about their presence that they have come. And all the children who were even sleeping, while listening the jingling of the bamboo bell, they all got up because they want to enjoy to see the baskets and the loaves there. Though the loaves was collected by the servants, but all these students and children look at the basket of the loaves very curiously. They come to know that from where he comes, why he comes. And now these bakers were very familiar at every place. In a day, they were able to see the bakers two times. First time when they were going to sell, and next time when they were returning back. And you know, all these bakers know each and every household because they go from every house. They were good guide also. They can tell you where the house is of Mr. and Mrs. Next thing is, these bakers were common in city, but in villages, the work of baker was done by housewives. And at the time of some marriage ceremony or other, bakers comes to use. All these housewives also sometimes make group and prepare the food. Now comes the professional life of a baker. Actually, all these bakers used to wear a special dress. And this dress is called kabai. And a baker who is in dress, he is called pedder. The profession of these bakers was very noble and very urgent for the society also. These bakers are well-fed people. Even they have servants. And in all the time, they never starve. They are heavy body, reveal and tell us that yes, they are well-fed people. And they are good people. Next comes how they manage their business. It is quite surprising that they don't take the money the same day. Though they provide the food every day, but they come on the last day for the payment. You know, student, how they manage it? Yes. They wrote each and every bill on a big wall with different names, with different houses. And at the end of the month, they used to calculate it. And then they go to the house and demand for the money. And the people believe them. They are very honest people, and their accounts were very fair. So people used to payment. This type of profession was in tradition in Goa at the time of Portuguese, and even today. If you go Goa, you can find out bakers' big shops, and a large variety of items you can find there. It was a good profession, and I hope through this lesson I will like to make a request to all of you, that is student, there are many traditions in our country, and the need we have is to preserve them, is to give proper importance to them. We need not to look down on them that they are not a good. Some professions are very essential for our society even today. So we must have to preserve them, and we must have to respect them. So with this message, I will like to take leave from you. I hope you understand the main points. I will remind you one time more. Bakers are very important person in Goa society. They used to come every day to sell their bread at every doorstep. Children like these bakers, and the work of these bakers was very honestful and very faithful also. They wear kabai, and they are called padar with their special dress. Their profession was noble, and people respect them. They know each and every household in the town, and they are good guide also. Thank you very much.